I'm Elliot, the president of Swiss Ceracoat Group. Well, a lot of people ask me, why did we develop Ceracoat Vehicle Care the way Ceracoat Vehicle Care is? Well, first of all, it comes from a passion. I already was passionate by machines and cars already when I was a young boy. And when I went to the university, I decided to create coatings to protect cars. After that, I was mixed up to nanotechnology. I found out what nanotechnology is. I began to make researches. We added a nanotechnology laboratory to our company, and we started to develop nanotechnology coatings. Nanotechnology coatings that we are doing are using ceramic material and are not sealants that are coatings. A sealant is a non-breathable surface. A lot of products and also the waxes that you can use today are not breathable, they are sealants. We are doing coatings. Coatings can breathe and have a lot of other advantages. Our coatings, especially the one for the cars, Ceracoat Vehicle Care, are coatings that can do a lot. In the past, I found products in nanotechnology companies that used ethanol to coat cars. Those products were just coatings with no other effect than repellency of water and dirt, which is a good thing, of course, but you can do something more. Well, Ceracoat Vehicle Care does a lot more. Ceracoat Vehicle Care does clean the surface. It does then make the surface smoother, make the surface shine. It takes the color back again. It looks like new, and then protects the coating, the surface. This coating is a natural coating using ceramics, and it is very long lasting. It of course depends on how you are using your car. For example, if the car is always outside, if you have one day rain, the other day sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, with a lot of very quick changes of that, it will last less. It can then last only 9 months or 1 year, for example. But I have already cars that I have treated 5 years ago, and it still works. The important thing to know with the coating is also that it is foodstuff neutral, it is water-based, it's completely safe. You can coat your hand if you like. Well, I'm not doing that, but you can use it if you touch it, if you use it. It will not make any damage. It's completely safe. It's completely safe, Swiss-made product. It is also important that it is UV stable, so the sun will not affect it. It is acid stable, so even if you go to a car wash machine, it will not kill the product, even if this is not necessary anymore. But those are very important advantages of the product, and the application is very easy. So I will show you now how the application is done. It's very easy. We'll go over there. I will show you a surface which is dirt. Can you see the effect? Well, let's just change this to the other side. So you will see that then. Wait a moment, I have to do that. Okay, let's change that. Then here you see the surface, which is a very dirt surface. So I will use some product there. Just put some product here. I have it there. So now just use some product. And you can already see the difference. Here it's very dirt. And here where I use the product, it's already clean. Also, we have to wait for some time. I will not do that. I will coat it immediately, polish it immediately to show you the quick effect. And you can see now how clean it is already here where I coated it. So if I go with the fingers over there, you can touch it, you can feel the difference. If you go on the surface which is not coated, the surface is very rough, and you can see how dirt the surface here is, and here the surface is clean and it's very, very smooth. So let's do that, the other one again, to show that. I will do it the second time. Put some products there, product on the towel. Let's do here. Just coat this side. I showed it to you before. I don't need a lot of pressure, and I will not even wait. Now you have to wait 2-3 minutes, but I will not even do that. I will just coat it, just polish it, that you can see the immediate difference. And now you see here how clean it is. Here it's still very dirt. Here it's very clean. So it works very, very, very quickly. So that is the important point about the using of Ceracoat vehicle care. I hope that this helps you a little bit in your decision. Just pay attention when you talk about products to use on your car, how the quality is, where the products are coming from. We are a real Swiss development company. We are the manufacturer of the Ceracoat products. We have our own laboratories, and we are developing all this in Switzerland. And very important is that the products remain safe and they can last for a long time. And you can also use them on a lot of surfaces. You can use them on plastic, lacquered plastic, on metal, carbon fiber, even on glass. You can use it on a lot of hard surfaces, and you don't have to take 5 or 4 products for 5 or 4 different surfaces. So you can take the same one, which remains Ceracoat vehicle care.